Hi, welcome to Miss Richardson's U.S. History 5-Minute Lectures. This information will be U.S. Notes 6.11, Liberalism and Clinton. It includes information that aligns with the final section on your study guide. Now remember, you control this lecture, so pause, write down any questions you have, rewatch as often as you need, and always use your study guide to help you with your notes. Let's go ahead and get started. In the last set of notes, you learned how Bill Clinton won the presidency. Well, today I want to tell you about some of his beliefs and how this impacted the U.S. government in the 1990s. In much the same way that Reagan was elected amid turmoil and discontent, so was Clinton. People felt that the economic policies of the conservatives were not benefiting them, and they were looking for change. Clinton, a Democrat, brought this change through his liberal actions. So liberalism can be defined as the belief that the government should take an active role in the economy and in social programs, but that the government should not dictate social behavior. So where conservatism was a more hands-off approach to government and the economy, liberalism promised that the government would step in and fix the problems people were experiencing. And while the religious conservatives were promoting morality in society, liberalism promised people could behave in any legal manner in which they desired. So this view attracted many voters who were not prospering under the 1980s conservative actions and policies, and those people wanted change. Those who supported liberalism in the 1990s, and therefore President Clinton, included many poor voters, young voters, and many minority voters. They actually kind of shifted the vote. While these groups did not normally vote in large numbers, they were mobilized by the liberals in '92, and they came out to vote in very large numbers. That voting, in addition to the third-party candidacy of Perot, pushed Clinton into the White House. This led to many changes in domestic policies. Regulations were put into place on many different businesses, so deregulation was gotten rid of. The government became more involved in economics. This and cuts in spending led to a balanced budget in 95, 96, 97, and in 98. In fact, the U.S. even had a surplus in 1998, which actually means they took in more money than they spent, and they could actually pay down some other debt. So while these economic actions were occurring, so was reform in welfare and attempted reform in healthcare. All these actions demonstrate a more involved government, which shows the liberal view of government. More government involvement, more action by the government. Those are the hallmarks of liberalism and of the Clinton administration, which you'll learn more about in the next set of notes, because this is the end of U.S. Notes 6.11. Hope you learned something, and I will see you in class.